Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we'll be looking at the BTC multiple time frame analysis. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame, even though we've got 3 days 10 hours to close this current weekly candle, as soon as we've got the dump from the last week, and the current level is going to be, as usual, 42,000, ideally 42,500 level. Claim it as a support, and a weekly time frame will exit from the consolidation level. As long as we're going to be remaining below $42,000, that's going to be a bit challenging for the bulls in the coming weeks. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as you remember, as soon as we lost $60,000, we tested it perfectly, $59,500-ish, $400. Daily time frame went heavily under the base control, and we had a $48,000 and $50,000 were the main support levels. As soon as we lost these levels at around here, as you can see, and then I provided the remaining support levels, and we came all the way up to this level, which was the lowest one for this level, was $32,950, and we started DCAing at around in this region, as I mentioned, from the higher time frame support, which was a main and strong support level. And I mentioned also that we're going to go all the way up to the strong level, and that was $48,000. As I mentioned in the previous videos, it is highly likely that the first time we may not break the $48,000, and as a result, as you can see, we saw another decent dump in the market. So if you literally take the short based on a daily time frame, as soon as we rejected right from the 1st of December all the way to this major support average, that provided 40% plus profit. However, if you DCA'd around again from these levels, which is $33,000, $34,000, all the way to the major resistance, that's another strong resistance up to 48,300, 48,500 levels. We've got rejected right from the lower line of this resistance. As you remember, that was another 41% spot. And we shorted it again from there, which is a high time frame and strong resistance. These are the levels, and as soon as we got rejection right from the lower line of this strong resistance all the way to the support, we were expecting to the support, that's another 15%. However, the nighttime I updated via Twitter that we're at a 618, the golden pocket, that was nearly 20% dump. Anyway, with the current price action, we're more or less 15% dump in the market. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Trading is a science and mastering is an art. If you want to master all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. 4-hour time frame went heavily under the base control. As soon as we got rejection number of times, as you can see, 3 times we got rejection right from the 46,000, 46,500 level. And that was an initial short setup. However, as soon as we lost $44,000, 4-hour went heavily under the bear's control. And without claiming $44,000, 4-hour will remain under the bear's control. And also, we were following the higher time frame Fibonacci level, which I shared via Twitter. Now we're holding at the moment 0.618, the golden pocket. Also, I mentioned that in the last video that the lower time frames are heavily exhausted, and as a result, we are seeing a minor pump in the market. When the price action was at around here, which was 39,500-ish level, I provided the level that in the first place, that first stop is going to be 41,300 and 600 via Twitter. And as you can see, 13th of April, midnight, I provided that the 41,300 and 600 is going to be the first stop. We managed to catch from the pullback all the way to the 31,578, $22, $25, less than 41,600. That provided nearly 5% spot. For market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. Based on 2-hour time frame, again, 43,000 is going to be very important level. Without claiming this level, and then we've got $44,000. So the levels I'm watching in the coming days, 43,000 and 44,000 are very important. If we're going to break these levels, then we can highly likely go all the way up to 46 plus However, if we get a bullish confirmation based on a higher time frame, then the next time, as I mentioned in the previous videos, this strong resistance won't be a challenging. However, we have to get a bullish confirmation set up from 2-hour as well as 4-hour time frames. Moving on to 1-hour time frame. This minor pullback was expected all the way up to 40,200 levels, and at the moment we came right, as you can see, we're testing the previous resistance. That's going to be 40,300 and 40,000 region. As long as we hold this level, we might come and sweep even this low, 39,600 as well. And based on a 1-hour time frame, as long as in the coming 12 to 48 hours, if we're going to claim $41,500 as a support, then 1-hour time frame will be bullish, and then the next stop is going to be based on lower time frame and mid time frame, $43,000 and $44,000. These are the levels. The levels are clear, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.